Goran. I'm going to shoot you this quick little video on automotive syndication, the software. As this, I think, is something that you will want to be able to show to the auto dealers. And I can, of course, send you the PowerPoint, and you can, of course, modify it as you wish. So let me screen share the PowerPoint with you and see how this works out. So there we are at what is automotive syndication and the product overview. As you can see, automotive syndication empowers dealers to market their inventory to top US and Canada websites seamlessly, maintain brand consistency, and generate real-time leads in several channels. So the top sites in the US are in the top 10 are Google.com, Facebook.com, YouTube.com, eBay.com, Twitter.com, and Craigslist.org. In Canada, all those same sites are in the top 25. We, of course, have additional sites that are strictly Canadian, like Google.ca, etc. So anyway, those are why we want to market in these channels, is because they naturally have a great deal of traffic. So how does this work? We can post our ads in a single interface. Now, in that single interface, we can post ads to Backpage.com. We can post them to Craigslist. We can also post YouTube videos. We can do Facebook. We can do Twitter, although the little bird isn't here. And we can do eBay. I'm not sure how big eBay is in Canada, but they don't have to take that up. It's just another channel. The great thing is that all the leads are tracked and recorded. And when they actually phone into a dealership, we can actually track those calls and hear those calls. It fits every dealer. Options for dealers to be hands-on, hands-free, or a combination. Now, this is the software itself in a grid view. So you can see up here in the software, what we get from the dealer is we get a feed. And once the feed of all those pictures comes in, every dealer has somebody who goes out and takes all their pictures of their cars for them. We can then go ahead and we can post this to Craigslist, Backpage, eBay, YouTube, etc. And you can see up at the top where those little arrows are. Now, when the arrow is green underneath, for example, Craigslist, it shows that that car has been posted. When it isn't green, that hasn't happened yet, and maybe in progress, and maybe needs to start. But that's all that's required. So it's really pretty simple. So we visually display the vehicle on the dealer's lot and sites that have live ads. Users can toggle between list, grid, and smart views. Well, in Canada, smart view isn't so important. And user-initiated actions start from this page. So lead generation. Every ad generated contains a call tracking number. Calls are tracked and recorded. So every page that is created has its own phone number, although that all tracks to one single phone number at the dealer. But it allows us to see immediately what's getting action and what isn't. So we can easily see the lead source, the ID of the vehicle. We can capture the phone number of the person calling in and the name. And of course, we can link it directly to the landing page. 90% of leads from this software are phone calls. 10% come from form submits. So how does this work? So all those pages are generated, and then the ad can be posted to YouTube And we get this whole form, which includes the video on YouTube and a credit application, the map, and everything else. The page is automatically created. Click traffic is routed to a vehicle-specific landing page. So the info requests on this page can be to schedule a test drive. There's a phone number for the person to call in on, and of course there's a YouTube video. You can also request a trade-in appraisal, and you can also fill in the credit app. So this is just a sample of the type of report that you get from the page. So when someone calls in, their name, their email, everything is tracked immediately. So you can see all this information. And you can, of course, export all the data immediately into the dealer's CRM, so that it's easy for them to follow and track and see who's getting action and see what cars are really moving. Now, we know for a fact that everybody's on a mobile device today. Just standing in lineups at the bank and getting my passport, I'm hearing comments about, oh, gee, I never use my computer anymore. I do everything on my smartphone. So everything has to be mobile. And all these automatically generated products are, of course, also fit for mobile. Over 50% of web traffic is now from mobile devices, and 40% of Craigslist traffic is also from mobile devices. So we make sure that everybody can see your car, no matter how it's being shown on a mobile device. There's two ways that dealers can use our software. They can do it manually, and they can do it post by post, or they can do a quick plus for multiple listings, or they can get us to do it and have it hands-free. Quick Plus is the recommended posting method for dealers who prefer to personally control their listings because it allows you to prioritize inventory, control the look of the ad, and post on specific days. Post one vehicle immediately or select up to 50 vehicles to list to Craigslist. When ready, the user hits post and ads are sent to Craigslist automatically. This product has hundreds of ad template combinations. Templates are automatically applied to ads. Dealers have the option to edit and customize their ad by simply selecting Edit. Although dealers have the option to edit and customize their ads, in fact, most dealers trust the product to automatically create a great-looking Craigslist ad. Ads post to Craigslist at time intervals set by the user, and we recommend 10 minutes apart to make it look natural. The posting queue automatically posts the selected ads to Craigslist and displays progress for the user to see. The posting queue frees you or your staff from their computer and lets you focus on other priorities like going ahead and closing deals, answering phones, all those things that make you money. Or Craigslist can be hands-free. We can do it for you at $2 a vehicle. But the posting is seamless. It goes directly into Craigslist API. So it can make it even less likely that you're going to have a hassle with your posting if you'd like us to do that for you. We get very, very detailed reporting. At any given time, a dealer can view all active postings. You can reconcile the ads against the original budget. Leads will export directly to the dealer's CRM. And even if you subscribe to the hands-free service, you can log into the product and understand how your vehicle ads are being posted. You get full control without any of the hassle. Manual or hands-free. So if you want ads only for specific cars, ads during specific time or days, customized ads, then you need to do manual. If you want the same number of ads posted each month and schedule postings in advance, then hands-free Craigslist is the best one. Even if you subscribe to hands-free, you can certainly log in and see what's happening at any time. So you're never, ever, ever feeling lost or not sure what's happening with your inventory. Backpage, we know that you don't use it too often yet, but it really is becoming more popular. And this is a free product. We just do it all for you. So it's an automatic export. And once we have your feed, we can just set up those ads and take care of it all for you. It does go to 260 online newspapers, online classifieds, and the ads are free. So free is a good price. You get no ads to create, but you will get leads. And leads without having to lift a finger or pay a penny, that's a pretty good deal. Now, eBay auction is not used yet by most people in Canada, but it's easy with this product. So it may be something that some people want to try. It's a point-and-click type of process, and the great thing is that we actually become a certified solution provider in eBay as a result of our software. So it's been approved by eBay. They love it. And instead of taking you 20 minutes to post an ad to eBay, you can do it in 2 minutes. So it's pretty amazing. And of course, each auction generates so many, many leads. And everybody, you get to see the whole auction. You get to get all the information about all those who put in a bid. And so it really is a great way to get a number of ads and move a car. We recommend that if you're going to go to eBay, you actually use kind of a generic car so that you can have similar cars available to offer to the people who did not win the auction. So one auction can create dozens of new sale opportunities because you can easily approach bidders with additional purchase options. Like I said, try to have kind of a generic looking car. Don't use something too unique. And this is how the eBay classifieds show up. The user interface. It's one of the last truly credible and free marketplaces to advertise your vehicles locally. Point and click 25 free ads per day. And ads are active for 60 days. Ads link to the landing page. Ads does everything in this product. And there's embedded call tracking. So shoppers share vehicles by email, text, Facebook, and Twitter. So it's a great way to get the word out and let people know what you're doing on eBay. And it really is a trusted, powerful brand, so it's worth trying. Facebook and Twitter, you can post updates to your Facebook and Twitter following from within Automotive Syndication. If you don't have an active community of loyal Facebook and or Twitter fans, ask us how we can help. We can certainly get that happening for you. And since Facebook even has a category of people who are looking for vehicles that you can access through Facebook advertising, it really is worthwhile to get that page up, looking great, and start advertising for buyers through Facebook, another very powerful channel. And Twitter, people love tweeting cars around, and especially when they're in these really, really great videos. You get a Facebook inventory applet. We don't recommend you put up all your cars into the status updates on Facebook. Put it up as an applet, and then perhaps have a car of the week or something special about a car or something that you can comment on. And again, the YouTube video, the user interface, the videos are automatically created for you. All we need are 7 photos of the vehicle and a great description, and of course the information on your dealership, which goes with everything, because the branding, of course, is carefully followed through. But with that, you choose a male or female voice, and the video is created. And these videos rank highly on Google, so it's huge SEO value. And of course, you can put these videos, each and every one of them, up on your site, which will only bring you higher rankings. The average engagement time is 10 times higher for a web video than just for a static page. And people will interact with a page. They buy because of videos. They love videos. So it really is worthwhile to get this happening. So let us know how soon you'd like to get started. Get started today. As I mentioned in the product on that I had a lot of information on video, Digital Dealer reports that 84% of car shoppers watch video before buying, and 49% took immediate action after a video. So don't wait, get these videos up. Here's some frequently asked questions. You can go through these and see if there's other questions that we should be adding. You can see that as a result of the software, the leads per ad just go up, 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 and they stay up consistently. So if you want more leads and want more potential buyers for your vehicles, this software is your answer. What's next? How soon would you like to get started? What channels would you like to start with? And our prices, you'll find, are shockingly affordable. Okay, that's it for that video. As I said, I can send you that PowerPoint, or we can mix it up a little bit.